Maxing out your looks in every way possible is a cheat code to stand out from others very easily. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to Looksmax every part of your appearance step by step, and I guarantee at the end of this video, it's going to transform an average looking guy to a handsome man. So to start with, I have made 3 core levels of Looksmaxing that I want each of you guys to watch this video till the end, because the last level is the most important step. So starting with level number 1, body maxing. So when it comes to Looksmaxing, your body plays a very crucial role in determining your looks. In fact, this is the first baby step that you're stepping forward in terms of improving your looks. If you're being overweight with high body fat, it's kind of pointless trying to improve your looks. So if you're being overweight, here are the 3 easy ways that you can do in order to transform your body very easily. Number 1, cut down processed food and white sugar. So I want you guys to cut down all those shitty processed food and white sugar, because these foods contain high amount of calories and they're fewer in nutrients, which makes your body to store them as fat very easily. Number 2, stay in a calorie deficit. So a calorie deficit is when you eat fewer amount of calories than what you actually burn. For example, if your daily calories is about like 2500 calories, then try to cut down over 100 to 200 to 300 calories. By slowly lowering calories, it will be easier for your body to lose fat way faster. Number 3, have a workout routine. So I want each of you guys to work out at least 3 times per week. This is going to help you burn more calories, boost your testosterone level, and boost your overall metabolism, hence helping you to transform your body very easily. Now, in order to build an athletic physique, it's important to prioritize over 90% of your workouts on compound exercises. Compound exercises are the exercises which targets multiple muscle groups rather than targeting a specific one. So here are the 5 best common exercises that you can do at the comfort of your home. Push-ups, squats, lunges, pull-ups and burpees. So these workouts are proven to target multiple muscle groups, and I suggest you guys to add some sort of weights and try more variations to make these workouts more challenging, which helps to transform your body to the next level. By doing these things, you have successfully completed level number 1, which means you have transformed your body. And now we are stepping to level number 2, face maxing. Having a clear, healthy skin plays a crucial role in achieving a radiant and youthful appearance, and hence boosting your overall confidence. So here are the 2 ways to achieve great skin. Number 1, have a skincare routine. So to start with, you need these 3 basic products to build a simple skincare routine: a cleanser, a sunscreen and a moisturizer. Number 1, cleanser. A cleanser or face wash does the job of cleansing your skin, which means it helps to remove those excess dirt and oil from your skin. So you need to be using this twice per day, once in the morning and once in the night, for the optimal result. Number 2, sunscreen. A sunscreen does the job of protecting your skin from harmful UVB radiation, which helps your skin to prevent tanning in the long run. So to choose the right sunscreen, make sure to choose a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 for the best protection, and make sure to apply the sunscreen at least 15 minutes before the exposure to the sun. Number 3, moisturizer. A moisturizer helps to keep your skin hydrated and retain moisture in the skin for long. However, if you're the person dealing with oily skin, then finding the right type of moisturizer could be a bit tricky. So make sure to choose a moisturizer that is either oilless or gel-based moisturizer that is specifically designed for oily skin. Number 2, avoid skin problems. Now, apart from having a skincare routine, it's also important to prevent various skin problems that arises in the long run. And what if I said most of your skin related problems arises when you sleep? Yes, most of your skin related problems arises when you sleep with unwashed bed sheets and pillowcases. In fact, a recent study showed that after 1 week of unwashed pillowcases and pillow covers contains about 3 to 4 million colony forming bacteria, and this bacteria is known to cause skin irritations, rashes and acne. So in order to avoid this problem, make sure to wash your bed sheets and pillowcases for at least 2 times per week. Now, apart from our skin, there are 3 more crucial areas that I want each of you guys to work on to take your facial looks to the next level. Number 1, your teeth. Having a good looking white teeth is going to instantly improve your look. So in order to get white teeth instantly, here's a quick little hack that you can do at the comfort of your home. So I want you guys to grab a half teaspoon of baking soda and mix it with some water in order to form as a paste, and you can use this as a paste in order to whiten your teeth instantly. And number 2, your lips. In order to fix your dry, bristled lips, I want you guys to exfoliate your lips by using your toothbrush. Whenever you're brushing, make sure to gently move in a circular motion to remove those dead skin cells from your lips and smoothen them. Number 3, your eyebrows. Having a good looking and sharp eyebrow can make any guy more attractive. So in order to get best looking eyebrow, with the help of an eyebrow tweezer, make sure to remove those excess hair that's present in between of your eyebrows. This helps to add some sort of symmetry to your face and gives you that some sort of mysterious look and instantly boosting your overall look. Now we have so far completed level number 1. We have learned how to transform our body, and level number 2, we have learned how to improve our facial features, and now we are stepping into one of the most important aspects of Looksmaxing, and that is level number 3, taking care of your hair. Now having a proper hair care routine is actually going to optimize your overall confidence, makes you look more smart, and overall makes you look more attractive. So here are the 3 things that you must follow to build a hair care routine. Number 1, choose the right shampoo. The main work of a shampoo is to clean your hair, which means it removes those excess dirt and oil from your scalp and hair. But however, it's important to choose and use the shampoo in the right way. So here are the 3 things that you must consider before using your shampoo. So number 1, if you're the person dealing with dry scalp and dry hair, make sure to use shampoo no more than once per week. And number 2, if you're the person dealing with oily scalp and oily hair, make sure to use shampoo at least twice to thrice per week to remove those excess oil. And number 3, if you're the person dealing with dandruff and scalp irritations, then make sure to use the shampoo that contains at least 2% of ketoconazole and zinc pyrithione, which are scientifically proven to eliminate dandruff and scalp irritations effectively. Number 2, have the right haircut. Now this step requires some sort of experimentation within yourself, so try going for different hairstyles, go for short hairstyles, try medium hairstyle and long hairstyles, and try to choose the haircuts that personally you like. Certainly I would suggest you guys to go for some sort of like medium to low fade at the sides and have some sort of that medium hair at the top. So this will create some sort of that symmetrical and sharp look to your face, and you can rock this hairstyle especially if you have some sort of facial hair. So having some sort of facial hair and having those fades at the sides will drastically change your looks for sure. And finally, number 3, hair growth. Now this is the most crucial step in a haircut routine, because literally this step is gonna decide how long you are gonna keep your hair for the rest of your life. So in order to have optimum hair growth, here are the 2 products that I want each of you guys to purchase. Number 1, I want you guys to buy a hair massager. This is proven to increase more blood flow to your scalp and hair, which in turn increases more nutrient flow to your scalp, helping to grow your hair more faster. So make sure to use this hair massager at least twice to thrice per day for the best result. And number 2, I want you guys to purchase a derma roller. Studies have proved participants who use derma roller consistently have found optimum hair growth. So basically, derma roller causes micro tears in your scalp and skin, which increases more blood flow to your scalp and increases collagen production and nutrient absorption, which in turn increases your overall hair growth. And finally, after completing these 3 levels of Looksmaxing, I guarantee you that you have transformed your looks to the next level, and I can assure you that you are now literally a handsome man. I will see you guys in next video. Peace.